The Bureau of Environmental Safety's overall responsibility is to protect the environment to any undue exposure of radiation. The Bureau does this by implementing programs that monitor the environment directly around nuclear power plants, escort spent nuclear fuel shipments, and supervise the cleanup of low-level waste sites around Illinois.
We monitor over 700 areas throughout those power plants for ambient radiation detection in case there is a release. We also monitor and take samples of over 300 areas for vegetable, fish, soil, water, just to give us an idea if there was a release, what kind of exposure there was, and what the extent of the exposure was if there was any health effects involved.
Every truck or rail shipment that contains spent nuclear fuel or high-level radioactive waste is met at the Illinois border by IEMA, Illinois State Police, or the Illinois Commerce Commission and escorted while traveling through the state. The spent nuclear fuel shipments are inspected to ensure compliance with radiation safety requirements and to provide immediate on-scene emergency response in the case of an incident.
We register all the low-level waste generators in Illinois, which are right now in excess of 450. We issue permits so that they can ship in Illinois, and we track the shipping of all the low-level waste that goes through Illinois. We put out annual reports that show how much waste is there, what the types and the categories are, because we're ultimately responsible, based on the 1983 Act, to provide for acceptable disposal of the low-level waste in Illinois.